Ooh, Scotty.
Oh, sorry.
Hello, my baby.
You weren't
Hello,
supposed to see me
my-
swinging my long. Well, yeah.
You're dribbling. You should go have that checked.
Not anymore. I took my meds.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, here we go, guys. You've already seen pretty much what we've done. We've got just 2 more pieces that I forgot about that we're going to try and salvage. But
Okay.
are we ready? Are we ready? Hold on. Wait. Jesus, take the wheel.
Where's he taking it?
Unfortunately, I'm going to throw myself under the bus here a minute.
I'm going to throw you
I
off
forgot
the cliff.
to take.
Oh, little acetone on that.
So,
Hey, we're filming.
hey,
What?
be good.
Okay.
So I forgot to tape up some rubber, so I'll take this off and clean it up. My
don't
bad. I know better. I
You
know
don't
better.
you don't use rubber,
So,
you liar.
you know, it is what it is, but it's nothing that can't be taken care of gently. So, I mean, I'm not worried that way. But,
Pretty.
are we ready, people?
No.
No. Okay, we went through this. Oh, yeah. Wow.
I did not want to take it all off. I just wanted to make it nicer.
Wow.
Yeah, it came out really, really nice. I mean, I want to keep the vintage. I want to keep the authentic look. You know, I don't want that to change because, I mean, there's still rust. It's still pitted,
It's got patina.
but
It's got patina.
it looks so much better, you know. And then we have the windshield trim, which we had an issue getting off. It took us a few minutes to figure out what it was catching on without ripping anything. Here's our
You
plastics.
never want to rip anything while you're getting off.
Definitely don't want to rip anything while you're getting off. That's a given.
No.
So our plastics for driver's side and passenger side
panels.
A-pillar floor.
Kick panel.
Kick panels are good. They came out really, really nice.
Yeah, we
I'm
unveiled these
very,
in the
very
last
impressed.
video.
Yeah, these came out
Those are bitching.
damn nice.
You start
and-
putting things together, sir. Everything's here drying real quick.
Yep. Oh no, it's going to be 24 to 48 hours before I can actually start screwing things back into place because I don't want to mar the paint.
So you're saying Monday, we know what you're doing.
Yeah, Monday because we're not here, so it'll settle all weekend. And we got.
You went screwing?
I went screwing, got all the new screws to go in. Even the really hard to find ones
Oh, yeah.
that we could not find, I found them.
Of course you did.
So we did bulk, just in the safe side. And we have all of the seat bolts taken care of and cleaned up. All the trim.
Plates. Look.
I mean, it's not perfect by no means.
Yeah, but they
It
look
still
way
has
better.
pits and marks
Well,
and
it's
mars,
supposed to.
but
We want it to be original.
there's no more red paint on it. It looks better. Everything's going to be it's just going to be nicer, plain and simple. And that's all I wanted.
This has been pretty much most of Scotty's week this week.
Yeah, it's been Rusto Mod. I can't, it's so hard to say that because I keep wanting to say Resto
What are
Mod.
you doing? Pulling. Oh, odd or even. Are you getting grazed?
There we go.
Oh,
No, I don't know. Something flew in and landed. And it had enough forest right there that it would have hidden for weeks. You would have never known. But yeah, I think I want to get a sticker for this, for the windshield. Rusto Mod.
Yeah, we'll see.
That'd be
what
pretty
you
neat.
do.
But yeah, I mean, it's getting there.
Oh, let's bring up. Barry visited us.
Oh, yes,
Bring up
yes.
his wheel idea.
Oh, yes. I had an idea.
Because we have
Barry
the
had an
wheels
idea,
off
which
of
we
the
really, really
72.
like.
The Magnum 500s from the 72.
Ready? So
That?
what I think we're going to do real quick, minus the Mustang insignia.
Just to see, just for fun.
17.
Yeah, they should be bigger diameter, but
17 or 18.
yeah, but look at. I kind of like that idea. Hey, Ken, think about that, buddy.
See if you can walk around and get a better angle coming through.
I got it right
Because
here.
I do. I think that
I got it
would
right
look
here.
badass.
I think it'll look good.
But like some 17s or maybe 18s.
Oh, no. We got to go bigger than that.
No.
This is a wagon. 20s in the back with a 1-inch lip,
Too
polished, and
much.
19s up front with a 1/2-inch lip. That would look badass.
Getting crazy.
I like that. Well, it's got to go with the carbon fiber roof.
Oh, well, we're not done yet. We're not done. We got to get more parts in because that's going to be a
That's a
a
start.
2-week process minimum.
I'm saying with the 20s and 19s, it's got to match
Oh yeah,
the.
yeah. Because I mean, this has been an absolute love triangle with this car.
No, seriously.
Oh yeah, baby, we're gonna have.
So I mean,
love,
this is just gonna be. I love it. Absolutely love
I was
it.
trying to
The
sing.
fist bump, Scotty.
I was trying to sing my Isaac Hayes. Anyway, okay. So I want to get back our next video. I want to get it with Bernsey.
So on that note, we loves you.